like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll post daily videos of new incoming inventory, all makes, all models, foreign and domestic, various types of insurance losses. Right now you're looking at a GMC Canyon All Terrain. We'll check the year in a minute. This is a pickup truck, small pickup truck from GMC. Sustained front end collision damage. As you can see, the engine sitting in place. The radiator and condenser are intact. The engine does start. Apron on this side is square. The upper radiator support looks good. Got some damage here on the apron on this side. This piece of the radiator support here is damaged. You have some damage to the wheelhouse here, and looks like there's a little dent in the frame right there. The wheel looks like it's back a little bit. Do a quick walk around. Got a little repairable damage on the right front door. Back out of the way. We'll check the year in a minute. It does move under its own power as well. We will be selling this with a salvage title. Windshield looks okay. This side looks pretty clean. Check the roof. I don't see any buckles in the roof. Good sign. No movement in the bed. This side lines up pretty good. All the doors, fender. It's got a nice bed liner. Take a look inside. You have curtain airbags that are deployed. This is a full four-door. You have the curtain airbag deployed on the other side. You have a seat airbag that's deployed there. Dash airbag is good, which is good because it's a lot of work to change those. And steering wheel airbag is deployed. But overall, nice unit, nice builder. They make aftermarket parts for this, a lot of used parts. Pretty common vehicle. Not hard to find parts. They're not complicated vehicles. Pretty easy to fix. And this is a 2019. This is a 2019 GMC Canyon All Terrain model. We'll post it on the website soon. Thanks for watching.